In this video, we will explore how to convert a deterministic finite automaton, or DFA, into a regular expression. We'll cover two primary methods for achieving this conversion. These methods provide different approaches to systematically transform a DFA into its equivalent regular expression. Here are the conversion methods. The first one is state elimination. It involves the systematic removal of states, while ensuring that the language recognized by the automaton remains the same. The other method is regular expression derivation. It directly constructs the regular expression through algebraic manipulation of equations, representing the states and transitions of the DFA. Let us delve into the state elimination method. The core concept involves systematically eliminating intermediate states from the DFA, while preserving the language recognized by the automaton. The conversion process is as follows. First, convert the DFA to a generalized non-deterministic finite automaton, or GNFA. From the GNFA, you will get the regular expression. Here are the process steps for the state elimination method. Step 1. Convert the DFA to a GNFA. Step 2. Eliminate states one by one. Step 3. Update the transition labels. Step 4. Extract the final expression. In Step 1, we will focus on converting a deterministic finite automaton, or DFA, into a generalized non-deterministic finite automaton, or GNFA. Consider a DFA, which is a deterministic finite automaton. We transform it into a GNFA, which stands for Generalized Non-Deterministic Finite Automaton. A GNFA must meet certain requirements to ensure proper conversion. The first requirement is a single start state with no incoming edges. Second, a single accept state with no outgoing edges. Third, regular expressions on all transitions. Fourth, exactly one edge between any two states. This slide explains the state elimination formula. The elimination formula is R sub ij equals R sub ij plus R sub ik multiplied by R sub kk star multiplied by R sub kj, where k is the state being eliminated. Ensure you update all transitions, bypassing the eliminated state. Here are the elimination steps. First, choose a state. Select an intermediate state to eliminate. Second, apply the formula to update all affected transitions. Third, remove the state. Delete the eliminated state and its edges. Let us illustrate the state elimination method. Consider a simple DFA where we have a start state Q0 transitioning to state Q1 on input A, and state Q1 transitioning to a final state Q2 on input B. This automaton accepts strings that end with a B. After applying state elimination, the resulting regular expression is a star AB. Now let's explore the regular expression derivation method. The core concept is to set up a system of equations where each state represents a regular expression. The equation is L of Q sub I equals sigma, a sub j multiplied by L of Q sub j plus epsilon. Here you need to solve algebraically using substitution. Now let us discuss the key steps involved in the derivation method. First, set up equations. Create an equation for each state in the automaton. Second, substitute. Replace variables systematically to simplify the equations. Third, simplify. Apply algebraic rules and Arden's theorem to solve for the regular expression. Let us illustrate the derivation process with an example. First, we set up the system of equations. Given two states, Q0 and Q1, the state equations are as follows. Q0 equals a multiplied by Q1 plus B multiplied by Q0, and Q1 equals a multiplied by Q0 plus B multiplied by Q1 plus epsilon. Apply Arden's theorem, which states that if x equals y plus zx, then x equals z star y. After solving these equations, the final regular expression is b star a multiplied by the quantity a plus b star a, closed parenthesis star. Let us compare the two methods, state elimination and regular expression derivation. For the state elimination method, the advantages are a systematic step-by-step process visual and intuitive approach, and it works well for complex automata. For regular expression derivation, the advantages are algebraic and mathematical, efficient for simple automata, and direct equation solving. Here are the key takeaways. Both methods produce equivalent results. The choice depends on the automaton complexity. These are essential tools in formal language theory. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.